Alert, ice lovers, Bree is dropping a freeze bomb. Imagine no store runs, no leaky hoses, just flip the switch and boom. COTLIN Drainless spits 9 crystal bullets every 8 minutes. Recirc 3.5-liter tank. 40 pounds of party fuel daily, adjustable small or large. Self-cleans in 10, whisper quiet under 50 decibels. Reversible door fits any kitchen. Pros that slay: zero plumbing, endless clear cubes, pure taste explosion, silent clinks, $250 steel. Tiny cons: weekly splash for heavy hitters, empty full bin yourself, humid gasket might chill out. Your bar's new superhero. Smash link in description for the craziest deal from Bree Buys. Full ice meltdown on channel. Subscribe and never thaw again.